Hot and sizzling, juicy green chilies with a masaledar filling. Sounds mouth-watering, isn't it? Let's make stuffed green chilies. I have taken 9 large green chilies. This variety is large enough to be stuffed and mildly spicy. To make room for the stuffing, I am simply slitting the chilies vertically from one side and scooping out the seeds. All the chilies are slit and scooped up. Time to make the stuffing. For the stuffing, I am taking 1 cup of gram flour or besan, 1 tablespoon of Coriander Seeds Powder, 1 tablespoon of dry mango or amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of Turmeric Powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted fennel seeds or sauf powder, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of regular salt, and half a teaspoon of black salt. Add to this 1 tablespoon of mustard oil in batches. Mix. While I have used gram flour as the base for the stuffing, this can be made in a variety of ways. Peanut powder, coconut, or even potatoes can be used for the stuffing. The mixture is soft and thick, ready to be stuffed. I am taking around 2 to 3 teaspoons of the mixture and filling it inside the chilies. All the chilies are stuffed. Let's pan fry them. In a pan on the heat, I am taking 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil heats, add half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When it starts crackling, place all the stuffed chilies in the pan. We will let them cook for 3 minutes on low flame on one side. For this, I am covering the pan with a plate and adding a little water. This will not let the chilies burn. Time to take off the lid. After 4 minutes, it's time to flip them and cook from the other side. Let's check. The chilies are nicely cooked inside out. Time to take them off the flame. Enjoy these as a side dish with dal rice or hot parathas. Either way, these taste great. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.